In our previous section, we have seen number format function. Using this function, we can place commas in between numbers. So now what we are going to do? We are going to display our total price. This is our total price section. I will remove this. In place of this, I'm just going to write PHP echo. I'm just going to fetch this. Let me copy entire thing. Copy. And here I will paste. In place of this, I'm just going to write price. Save. I will come. I will refresh this one. Syntax error on line 78. And here I just have to close PHP. I will save this. And from here, I'm just going to remove this number format. I will come. I will refresh this one. Now, total price is displayed. Whatever price I am having inside the database table, that is displayed. For this also, I'm going to give dollar. And at the end, I'm just going to give this symbol. Save this. I will come. I will refresh this one. Now, total price is displayed. But this total price is wrong. What I want to display here, for every product, based on this quantity, I want to display this one. Now here I have $25,000. Quantity is 3. So I should be getting $75,000 here. So the answer what I have displayed here is wrong. I will come. I will refresh this. Here also the quantity is 3. Now I will come here. So what we are going to do, in place of this, I will just create one variable subtotal. You can do this calculation outside as well. Is equal to, I'm going to write number format function. I want commas as well for better understanding. As of now, I will remove this. I will just open this bracket. First, I will be writing price into, I'm just going to copy this quantity, copy and paste it here. I will be closing this bracket. I will save this. Now I will refresh this. Now you can see, now I got $75,000. I will update to 2. Click on update. I will be getting $50,000. Again click on 1. Update $25,000. Update to 5. Date. Again I will be getting this total. So based on this value, I'm just going to multiply with this quantity and I will be getting this total price. Now I want commas in between. So I'm just going to write number format. Save this. I will come here. I will refresh this one. Now I will be getting comma. After this 1000 separator, I will be getting comma. Again I will update to 3. Date on this. Only this particular, you can see, only this price will be updated. Only for this row, this price will be updated. For this row, if I want to update, I can just decrease to 2. Just focus on this value. This value will not be updated, but this value will be updated. I will click on this update. You can see I got 30,000 for this row and 75,000 which I have already updated, that is displayed here. So this is the simple calculation you have to do. Number format is equal to, we are just multiplying our price into quantity. If you don't want to give this variable, save this. I will come. I will refresh this. Then also you will be getting the result. For better understanding, our subtotal I have just given variable as subtotal. Save this. Again refresh. I will be getting the result. I will come to view products. All 3 products are there. So I'm just going to add this product added to cart. I will come to cart. As of now, the quantity is 1. Default quantity will be 1. So total price will be this one. I will just update to 2. Now the total price should be 40,000. Rest all will not be updated. I will click on update. This will be updated to 40,000. Rest quantities, rest total price will remain same. So this is the simple one line of code you have to write, and this number format we are just writing to put comma. So this is how we are going to display total price. Next we are going to work on our grand total.